In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dimensions and a little shortcut on how to do multiple dimensions. So, I've got to remember now, it's over here. If we click on dimension, we read our little screen like you should get in the habit of doing, enter first dimension node point. So basically, let's just put in a overall dimension to begin with. So I'll click my 2 points, then if I double click out here, it creates the dimension for me, and then it's just a matter of placing it where I'd like it to go. So that was fairly simple, and that's how I create one dimension by itself. So I'll go again because I need 2 dimensions, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm on dimension still. I'm going to go from 1 point, and you'll see it puts up a little crosshair to my next point, crosshair. I'm pretty happy with that. Double click anywhere to the left. That's with the left mouse clicker. And now I'm going to get that one just to end on the end of my last one. And I'll hammer that down. Now, here comes a very cool feature within Archi CAD. I'm just going to put a few windows in just so that I've got something 2 dimension. Rightio. So if I go to my selection tool and I select a dimension, I know it's selected because it's green. If I then go down here and I hold down Command, I'm pretty sure it is, and if I left click, have a look what happens to the dimension line. It automatically does the math for me and puts in divisions anywhere I click. As long as this is selected, so it's highlighted in green, I'm holding down the Command key. So anywhere I click now, click anywhere where there needs to be a dimension and you will get a dimension. Very handy for doing lots of dimensions rather quickly. Once again, at the level we're going, guys, we just want to make sure that we've got enough dimensions so someone could build the house, but I don't want to over dimension the drawing. So I've probably gone a little bit overboard here. I would rather just have our dimensions as far away from the building as possible, and just enough so that the reader of the drawing gets an understanding of how long each wall is, how to set out the house, but I don't want to double up on dimensions because that would crowd my drawing.